Look for this switch on the side of your seat. Slide it forward or backward and the seat will move in that direction. This switch can also be used to adjust the height and angle of the seat. Move the front or rear end of the switch up or down to adjust the angle of the cushion. Then push down or pull up on the middle of the switch to adjust the height. To recline the seat, push this switch backward until you achieve the desired position. To bring the back upright, push the switch forward. The lumbar support feature provides lower back support to the driver. If your vehicle is equipped with the manual lumbar support, move this lever up or down. If your vehicle is equipped with the power lumbar support, push the front end of this switch to extend the lumbar support or push the back end to retract it. If so equipped, the side support adjustment on the driver's seat can be used to provide additional torso support. Push the switch up to increase the support or down to decrease the support. The thigh extension for the front seats, if so equipped, allows the front portion of the seat to be extended for additional comfort. Pull up and hold this lever to adjust the extension to the desired position. To fold the rear seats, if so equipped, first, disconnect and stow the center seat belt and tongue into the retractor base. To do this, hold the connector so that the seat belt does not retract suddenly when the tongue is released, and then insert a suitable tool into the connector buckle. Secure the connector tongue into the retractor base. Next, open the trunk and pull these straps located on the left and right side of the trunk to unlatch the rear seat back. Then, fold the rear seat back down. To return the rear seats to the upright position, fold up the seat back until it securely locks into position. When returning the seat back to the upright position, always be certain it is completely secured in the latched position. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.